Hi, Joe Udoni here on the shores of Lime Kiln Lake on the chain of lakes. And we're showing this beautiful new listing that's offering 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, turnkey, ready to go, and also features an acre of land. So one of the unique features you'll find with this property is this beautiful expansive yard, patio area, and an outdoor kitchen that'll just blow you away. Take a look at the video and the photos and give us a call for your personal tour. This one's not going to last long.